Hello, shalom everyone. In this video, we will learn about the array basic methods. So, first of all, we will discuss about what is array. Array is nothing but is a single variable that stores the collection of elements. These are the elements, and these ones are the positions of elements. It is called index, and this call and the elements calls value. So we will discuss about the common method used in array. For example, insertion. In insertion, we will use push and then unshift, and deletion, and addition plus deletion, and get elements. So if you have not VS Code, you can download this tool. We are going to create a simple HTML page. Array method.html. Let array equal and here are the values: apple, banana. Okay, so this is the array. This has two elements, and the indexes of the array begins to the from the 0. It is the element from 0 index, and this element is from 1 index, and so on. So first we will use the push method. Array dot push mango, and we will console log array. Basically, push method is used to insert the element at the last of the array. Here it will be pushed at the last. So in console, as we can see, there are 3 elements, and these are the indexes. Mango is pushed in array at the last. So we will discuss about the array dot unshift. It will push the mango at the very first element of the array. We will console the array again. Okay, here is the mango at the first position. So next it is the insertion. Let me comment this. Insertion, deletion. Okay, the method used to delete the element from the end of the array is called pop. So we will pop the banana from the array. Here is apple. We have only one element at 0 index. So banana is popped or deleted. And the second method used to delete the element from the very first. It is called shift. We want to shift apple. It will delete the first element of the array. Oh, I forget to console the array. Yeah. So here is banana. We have deleted the first element of the array with the help of shift method. So next is our next topic is Splice, addition plus deletion. So let me comment addition, add plus delete. We are going to use same array array.splice. It consists three things. First is the index number, where you want to insert the element. Basically, Splice is used to insert the element at a specified place. For example, you want to push or add the element between the apple and banana, or maybe there are many. One more. Yeah. So first is a position. So our position is index 1, and we want to delete nothing. If we give 1, then it will delete the next element, or if we use the 0, it will delete nothing, and will add the other fruit name. Okay, so we will console log our array again. So let me refresh it. As you can see, fruit name is added and nothing is deleted in the A at position 1. Here is our position 1, nothing is deleted but fruit name is added. If we want to delete something, then we will change it and refresh it again. As you can see, apple, fruit, mango and the banana is related from the next next element, from the next index. Okay, the next method is our can get the element by two methods. One of is slice and the index number. For example, index number is very simple. For example, if we want the index, if we want the apple, we can say array at 0. So it will give us the apple. Let me console it. You can see it very clearly. And so now, yeah, as you can see, here is apple. If we change the index number, it will again change. So next method is Splice. Our next method is slice, and slice will return from a specified position to a specified position. For example, we want from here to here. Strawberry. Oops. Let me store it in a variable. It will return a new array. I want to start the position from 1. So position 1 to 4. Okay. So let me do comment dot write in. Oh, yes, you can see banana, mango, and strawberry. So these are the topics we have covered in this our video.